try placing you guys here. Wonder if I can do that. Oh, not bad. I hope the view is gonna be okay. Yeah, literally at a stoplight. This last shot of caffeine. But, yeah, pop this open. Woo! Love it. This should get me going for the day. We're gonna rock it. It'll be solid. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be solid, guys. I'll see you guys at Muay Thai. Here we go. It's gonna be awesome. Yes, nobody's here. Let's check this out. Oh, there's people here today. I like it. Oh. Just starting out. It's gonna be good.
The next day.
Trying to catch this. Oh. Listen to this. Listen to this. Woo! I don't know why I've been so addicted to this. I don't know what this is. I just found it like my local grocery store, and yeah, my local Asian grocery store. So I thought, you know what, $6 gives me like a can of 6. Why not? Let's try it. Oh my gosh, but I like it. It's like, it's a good amount. Like, I don't even know, like my phone right here. Here's my phone, right there, right. So there you go. I don't know. I think this is enough. This is not even like espresso shot. Espresso shot. Espresso shot. Yeah. So it's like, it's enough. I like it. Oh my gosh. So what's going on, guys? We just finished up Muay Thai, and just decided I just want to go and just hang out with my girlfriend, and then we're gonna go and like just do things. Today I want to share with you guys a little bit something that's a little bit different. I am not a financial advisor by any means, by the way. I had an idea, and I've been seeing a lot of people buying cryptocurrency, and I really wanted to jump on that wagon as well too. And I wanted to, like, if you guys notice, if you buy like Bitcoin or Ethereum, they're all so high right now. They're so expensive. So the thing is, like, I'm looking to try to break through some other smaller coins. There was like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu coin, and it's like it's not even a penny yet. It's like 0.0000, like 4 zeros and 42 cents, whatever, a fraction of whatever that is. And I had like a bunch of like cash stashed away in my stocks, my stock portfolio, and I just completely sold everything, and I wanted to take the cash and I transferred it over, and I bought some Shiba Inu coins, put it all in there. Why? Because, you know, I just wanted some short-term gain. Again, not financial advisor or anything. I don't know what I'm doing. I just decided I just wanted to throw it all in there, and then we'll see how it goes. Basically, I own, I think it was like 13 million shares. Like, I put it somewhere, I can't remember, but 13 million shares, which is crazy. And then if it goes to like maybe down to like 3 zeros, that's a couple grand. I did some calculations. I don't know if I'm ever gonna hit like 1 penny. I was watching a lot of YouTubers, and they're saying it's almost like next to impossible to get it. But like, if we just shave off maybe like another 0, it's enough. So why not? I said, why not? Worst case scenario, I'll lose whatever initial investment that was, and then that was it. And I'm okay with that. And that's how you should approach crypto. I've seen online where a lot of YouTubers are talking about like just investing maybe 10% of your money, even less than that even. And for me, like, I just thought, why not? This is a good thing, because like I would just, if it gains up really high, if it does go up to a penny though, if it goes up to a penny, it's about $143,000. You obviously have to pay taxes, capital gain taxes, which is fine with me. I'm great with that. My cousin over in California has already, he purchased in super early and gained $70,000, which is awesome, right? $70,000 isn't life-changing money, but it's still enough money so you can do something else with it. You can go and invest into other things. You can go, yeah, obviously you have to pay taxes. I don't know, everybody, every state, every country, everything is all different. So, but still cool, still exciting. So I did that, and like I said, I'm okay with losing initial investment. I'm gonna keep you guys up on how it's going on every so often. I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio, but again, only Shiba Inu coin, because I was like, you know what, the long-term gain of stocks is quite slow, and it's good if you buy ETFs. ETFs, like, they pay like small dividends, which is fantastic. Like, this is what you want, this is for long-term growth. But again, I'm not here for the long-term growth. I'm here for like the short-term gains. If it's possible. If it's not, it's okay. Like I said, if it is, it'd be fantastic. But yeah, hope you guys like this little like spiel. I will share with you guys a little bit more what's going on. Have yourself a great one, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, share. It means a lot. Turn on notification bell. I'll see you guys later.